Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Windows cannot access a specified device. First, we're going to search for Valorant, right click on it, and let's open the file location. From here, right click on Valorant again and click on Open File Location, and we right click on the Riot Client services.exe. Let's go to Properties and let's go to the Compatibility tab. And make sure that both disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator is checked like this, and hit apply and click on OK. Next, we are going to search for CMD, right click and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and these are the commands that we are going to type in. Well, let's copy this one, and I'm also going to paste this in the description box below. First command and hit enter. And for the other one, copy and paste and hit enter. After that, we are going to search for Windows Defender Firewall and select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the options at the left and click on change settings. From here, we are going to look for Valorant, and if it is in your list as well, make sure that it is both checked on private and public. If Valorant is not on your list, click on Allow Another App at the bottom, click on Browse, and go to the drive on where you have your Valorant installed. For me, it is in my E drive. It might be on the C drive for you. And then go to the Riot Games folder. Let's open the Valorant folder, Live, and select valorant.exe and click on Open. And click on add, and the Valorant app should be here, and make sure that it is checked on both private and public, and click on OK. Let's close these windows and restart your computer and see if Valorant works for you again. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.